Pete's giving us a masterclass in pole fishing tonight.
Yeah, long pole, long rig, trotting it through on the old Hemp and tears, and we're putting a solid shifting and we're getting some decent average. So let's see if we can get you on.
Sat there.
We're really shy.
Go on, lad. Yeah, they're great them.
Quality fish. We're back on the old side. Seems to get better bites.
Back on the tear.
Old school tears. Gram float. What do you reckon that is? 10 foot?
Yeah. Easy 10 to be fair.
Just off bottom. Fly about an inch and a half. Fishing 12 metres. 16 hook. That's set all like that.
It's absolutely going off on bridge.
Yeah, it's full of kids run behind, isn't it? It's actually going through quite nice. The love of tear. I just can't hit him. I always get a first little dink about there and then it buries.
Put it on pole there, really. Oh, as soon as I move, mate, you'll get one. It's mental.
Look at that right in top mush.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with them. Yeah, Pete, I'll get you mic'd up.
Get me mic'd up. Oh no. I tell you what, I shouldn't be missing them. I can tell you that much. Feeding them probably every other cast, nearly every cast. Well, I did at start anyway. Come on, Peter, get your act together. Could have just done. Yeah, I could have just done with a slightly heavier kit on. Just because by the time you're striking into gram float and 11-foot rig, I think that's why I'm missing a lot of bites, to be fair.
Yeah.
Because a bit of elastic's just coming out on strike. Whereas if it was slightly stiffer, I'd just have a bit more reaction time with it. These bites are ridiculous, mate. They're absolutely sailing away. Say, there could be shot bites, some of them like, but... There we go.
Beautiful, that.
I mean, I say elastic's too soft, but then when I get one there, that's absolutely perfect. Another little roach. Roachy. Lost something big earlier on as well. I don't know what that was. On a tear. We're not deciding what it was, to be fair.
What's that gram, but it smells good.
That, my friend, is a bit of brown crumb and black magic.
Ah, black magic, that's what I smell.
Instead of red.
That black magic was great then.
Thing is, because rivers, it's quite, I mean, I know it looks like a bit of a peaty colour, but it is quite clear, isn't it? So I didn't want to, obviously if I went on feeder, I didn't want too bright to sort of put them off a bit, so I darkened it right down. But I don't mind, it's an old favourite, that. I used to use red stuff, but then your hands are absolutely, yeah, your hands are red for days after. Yeah. Well, I used to pin hemp, just get an old pole float with stem on it and put it right through hemp, and you could just hook it on and you get 4 or 5 fish on it then. But if you just used to, I mean, there's loads of different ways to hook it on. If you can just bend it hook into where the white bit comes out kernel, and then, but you only probably get one go, and you have to keep putting it on. And then you're forever searching for a decent bit of hemp, which you can't get anymore. I don't know what's gone on with hemp. It's all that right little stuff.
Yeah, they used to get sacks of it cheap before.
Yeah, real big stuff, and you just, yeah, I don't know what's happened with that, like, but yeah, the real tiny little bits.
Yeah, I've noticed that.
I'll tell you what, mate, if this little sleeper of yours bends over, we're going to know about it.
I know.
With a big old brem or a barbel. I say I had a decent little chub the other day. Not massive, about a pound.
It's a great chub, like.
Yeah, real good condition as well, they want to scratch on them. As I say, I saw one, I was on opposite side, and it just came through in shallows. It was about 3 or 4 pound. Should I maybe just throw that upstream a little bit more there? Even though I'm right-handed for everything else. There you go, you see, fish right-handed. You don't get any fish left, bang. I just feel a bit more, I don't know. A float? Oh, aye. That's a nice roach. Single white maggot, mate, that. That's what you want, mate. What's that in the pipe on there? The plastic come out just then for no reason. I wasn't grabbed it. That has never ever been caught in its life before. That, my friend, was on a caster.
The old caster.